to, you don't even need to see it. So the trail's over here. Yeah, Zach. Yo! It's hard to get that corner, right?
That's like basically the top where the blast.
Yeah. Oh, hiker number one. How are you? How was the hike?
Good.
Oh, hiker, runner. There's one more guy on a bike coming. Kind of pick your poison spot. Welcome to the pleasure trail. This one here, you got to slide a bit, and then this one here, Zach, this one here, come up here, right there. You. There you go. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Yeah, nice. See the size of the fucking root? You went right over it.
I let it right off the brake and it's like...
Oh, you have to. I went like through the hole. You went right over that root.
Yeah, that's...
But look at your suspension. You used all the travel there.
I'm marking this little bike to its fucking limits.
And this one's a little double roller. No, nothing. Just some couple ladder in the middle. Yeah. Yeah.
See? This is sick real, man. This is awesome.
So, but I was saying it, like, it doesn't stop coming at you.
No,
it's just feature.
good. I love it.
This is just feature after feature after feature.
Let's park in our backyard.
Oh, like totally, eh? So this one I started to ride this way. And then there's just a big wooden roller here. And then there's just a little drop right at the bottom of it. Yeah. Yeah.
Dude, that's so sick.
Fuck. How good is that?
That's amazing.
There's a gnarlier line up on the right there I've never done.
I kind of saw it.
You see that little left-hand turn where it's the
No, no, this isn't it yet. It's coming though. Oh yeah, this is it right here. It's just really weird. I just don't have a good line. But that worked. Phew! Just right up through the hole there. Nice.
So sick.
You. Thanks. Not my first time at the rodeo.
We're looking at lines too.
His first time. Yeah. Just try and keep it under control, Zach, as best you can. Nice. Oh! You missed the corner. Yeah, see, we're really getting into that blast rock now, eh? Like, trust me, this is chunky over here. Like, there's nothing not chunky about this. You! Oh, you did okay.
I should just walk up it and run again.
You did okay. This is probably the best built section right here. I love this spot. So nice. So nice, eh? Woo! Little drop here. Hello. How are you? It's the most hikers I've ever seen on here today. It's a lot. Stay right. Oh, I didn't make it through there. My foot got caught on that rock there. My foot got caught on that rock.
Oh, fuck.
You can see why I run downhill tires now?
Oh, yeah.
Look at this rock.
Dude, that's janky.
This is the fun part.
That's a really good section, right?
It gets more. Because the lower you get, the more blast rock you get.
This is a dropper to roll into.
No, it's just a roll. So the other trail we were on is just over in there.
So, yeah, I remember you saying, here's Fudge Trail.
Fudge Trail. Little gap here. And then a little up. And then this is a flat drop. Kind of don't care too much for it. Oh, there's a few lines here. I haven't done this one on the e-bike.
What is it?
Just roll. You. Yeah. It's actually really smooth if you follow the line, Zach. Just follow that line and stay on the rock. Like you can see the line on the rock there?
Like on the left?
Yes. And it's actually really smooth.
You went straight down the right though.
Did I?
Yeah, you went straight down.
It doesn't matter, it works.
Okay.
Wherever you go, it just works. It's not that hard. It took me a long time to actually do this line. I used to go this way, but it's real chunky. You got it. Nice. Yeah.
That's exactly what you did.
Yeah, perfect.
You hit that.
Oh,
you hit that rock
did I?
with your front tire exactly like I did. Just like hit the edge of it, and I was like, "Fuck, that looks kind of janky."
But see this line here? This is, look at this chunk.
Yeah, that's a pedal smasher right there.
Oh yeah.
I'll send you over.
That took me a long time to commit to that line.
That's a. Just because it's multiple bumps. Right?
Yeah, and then this is like a fucking little dropper here. Oh, they're everywhere, man. Holy hikers here. There's another one. It's the hiker record day on this trail.
Oh, yeah?
I've never seen.
I've never seen anybody on this trail, period.
Oh, there's probably like 10 people hiking. Whoa! Woo! Oh! Oh, you went on the outside. That's so deaf, that corner. And the next one too. Woo! Yep, that's it. It's done.
So close to dying. Crazy.
That's done, man.
Yeah.